This has been our favourite place to get bao buns and other strange snacks. The one I like is the sesame ball, which has red bean on the inside and it's like rice. I don't know, I feel like it's made of rice on the outside. Nice busy day as usual, nice and hot. And all we feel like is some snacks from this place. Show me your bao bun.
It's delicious. I've eaten the whole thing.
Gone.
My favourite. Why we came to Hong Kong. We came back inside because it is really hot.
Really hot. Jiandui. Jiandui?
Jiandui. There's only one left.
I ate them. Made with rice, red bean on the inside, and fried with sesame seeds on the outside. Mm-hmm. And it's been my favourite snack in Hong Kong so far. Bite for example. Red bean.
He's like a...
It probably doesn't look super appetizing, but they're very delicious. They're a very nice snack.
He's like a jelly rice.
Yeah, it's squishy. But then if you like red bean, it's like they put a lot of red bean in the middle, which Adam loves bao buns. I'm not a huge fan of bao buns because there doesn't seem to be enough bao for the bun. Not enough bao content.
That lady's are good.
Hers are thicker? Yeah. I keep snack for later. Here is our room. Small room. You can see this is our bed, where Adam did not fit. And then I didn't really fit. He's so sick of it. No, don't cry.
It's okay. We leave tonight.
We leave tonight. And this was our little kitchen. We didn't cook very much, but it had everything we needed in case we wanted to. Here's our tiny bathroom.
Worth noting, it was the cheapest place in Hong Kong.
Yes.
On Airbnb.
Yeah.
That was available when we booked it.
Yeah, yeah. Here, bathroom. Here, shower over the top of toilet. That was a mission.
And it's so hot outside, you don't need to put the hot water.
Yeah,
furnace on.
it has a hot water machine there, but we didn't need it because the water just comes out hot anyway. And yeah, I will not miss this room. Some of the Airbnbs I'm leaving and I'm like, oh, but this one I'm just gonna strut straight out of.
Coming at Jiandui. Jiandui? Yeah.
Jiandui. Which is originally from Hong Kong.
Yeah. So if you come to Hong Kong, make sure you try this. Unless you have a gluten intolerance, in which case...
Do not eat it.
Do not have this.
It is 90% gluten, 10% bean.
Very good.
1% sesame. That's it. Sing it, bro.
best
and affordable noodle house
The
that we
best.
found.
You
Sorry,
poke our friend.
sorry, that we found in Hong. She was beautiful. That we found in Hong Kong. They also have variations of spicy. So I got medium, and that was perfectly spicy enough for me. I found that very hot. Adam got super spicy, but they also have blazing.
Yeah, extra hot.
And they also have blazing. And every time we order the spicy, they're like, "What? Are you sure?" We say yes, and it was perfect. Perfect spicy.
It's sometimes hard to find food for less than $20 a meal, and in there it works out. For a big bowl of noodles, there's plenty of food for about $12, $13. So, pretty damn good. Come to Yugu Noodle.
Oh, snazzy. Bro, cool guy. Uncle, what you do? Where is he? Oh, he's there. Oh my goodness.
Shreddy.
We're on the harbour now and we're out of breath because we are running. We are running to the Star Ferry because I do not want to miss this. The last ferry, and I hope we don't miss it. We're in, people. We used our card and they had enough on it. Our little transport card.
They stopped from the northern side to the southern side at 10:45, and it's 10:37.
How do we get there?
We might not be able to get the one back either.
It might just be one way. Where do we go? I think we board from here. Oh, exciting. This is tricky. The Star Ferry is quite famous, so I didn't want to miss this. Beautiful views of the harbour. Famous Star Ferry. It's been running for 200 years now. Very long time.
No, upstairs.
Oh, no, upstairs.
Where do you want to go?
On the side is fine, yeah.
Cool. What was that, Joe?
Let me a nice sea breeze coming over my forehead because it's sweaty. This is pretty.
Quick one.
It was actually really fast.
It was like 4
It was
or
very
5
speedy.
minutes.
Yeah, it was a fast ferry.
Now we're going to see if we can go back on the other way.
Yeah, we're going to try and do it the other way. That whole time I was wondering, like, what if this was the one my mum and dad were on 20 years
In
ago?
the 80s,
In the
30 years ago.
We're
And
going back on.
Straight back on. Oh, quick.
I'm still puffed. We had to run down, and the like Sailor Man was like, hurry up. Like, please wait. We're back on. And we have a better view this time. We're on the right side.
Unless he turns around. I think they're double-ended ferries, so
You're gonna swing his butt around.
Yeah. No, I think we're on the right side this time.
Thanks for joining us on our ferry adventure, for our Hong Kong adventure, and tonight...
And the whole adventure.
And the whole adventure, the whole damn adventure.
Here marks like 450 days or something stupid.
2 days ago we celebrated 450 days on the road, which is very cool. And we have to go home and sleep because we have to be at the airport at 4 a.m. tomorrow to go to our next destination, which is Vietnam.
Oh yeah.
But
somewhere we've been before.
We had been to Vietnam before. We were panicking a few hours ago because we forgot to do our visas and we only did them 3 days ago and we were stressing, but luckily they just came in. We just got approved.
A couple of hours ago we just got our visas approved. So happy days. Happy
Thank
days.
God.
Thank you.
Because we'd get to the airport 3 a.m. and say, oh, and please pity us, we don't have a visa.
Freak out.
Anyway,
yeah, so it was a quick and sweaty 7 days in Hong Kong.
Yes.
And I think I'll come back just at a different time of the year.
Winter time.
We ended up doing this thing where everywhere we walked, we slowed down every sort of 10 meters. Why? Because there was open store doors that would blow the aircon, and so then you can just like slow down in front of the store and then you speed up between the stores and you slow down in front of the store. So yeah.
And if you stay close to the coolest shops, like on the sidewalk there, you can like remain at a good bodily temperature.
Yeah.
And then you veer away and then you start sweating. Look at the flags.
Thanks HK.
Thanks HK.
And China.
We're taking the HK Express tonight to Vietnam.
Yes we are. Gonna give Gelatino a kiss.
Thank you, Gelatino. And Lena Bell.
Oh, and Gelatino gives Lena Bell a kiss.
That was cheesy. Thanks guys.
Bye.
Bye.